This video will provide information on HeatTrak's residential products. HeatTrak is the world's leading manufacturer of electric heating mats for melting snow on walkways and stairs. Through this video, you will learn how to install and operate HeatTrak's connectable snow melting mats. Please note this video will not discuss HeatTrak's professional mats, which are larger and do not connect. HeatTrak's residential products include the following: walkway mats, stair mats, a power unit to connect your mats to an outlet, and cable extenders, which may or may not be necessary depending on your application. All products interconnect so that you can create any combination of mats to cover any size area. HeatTrak also manufactures a heating door mat. This mat is a standalone item and does not connect to other mats. All HeatTrak mats require a 120-volt electrical outlet. Make sure your outlets are properly grounded. Please be aware that to operate the mats, you will need to go outside to turn them on. If you'd like to automatically control the mats from inside your home or from the convenience of your phone, visit our website for a selection of smart accessories. HeatTrak mats are waterproof and designed to be left outside all winter long. Put them out before the winter starts and turn them on when you expect snow. To connect walkway mats and stair mats, align the mats so the connectors are on the same side. Connect each mat using the male and female connectors. Connect walkway mats to walkway mats. Connect walkway mats to stair mats. Connect stair mats to stair mats. When walkway mats are connected, there will be a space of approximately 3 inches between each mat. In certain instances, you may need a 20-inch cable extender to create longer cable lengths between mats. Follow this rule. Starting from the power unit, wherever a stair mat leads to a walkway mat, you will need a 20-inch extender. After the mats are connected, use the power unit to connect your system to a properly grounded electrical outlet. The power unit has a 6-foot cord. If your outlet is more than 6 feet away from the mats, you will need a cable extender to reach the outlet. This extender is watertight and safer than a standard outdoor extension cord. To check that the mats are connected properly, remove the light tester from the power unit and insert it into the last mat of your system. If all the mats are connected properly, the light tester will illuminate. Leave the light tester attached to your system all winter long. Press the reset button on the power unit to turn the mats on, and press the test button to turn the mats off. Check to see that the light tester is illuminated when the mats are turned on. If not, you will need to check the connections to each mat. One of them may not be properly connected. The mats contain grommet holes. Although not necessary to operate the mats, you may want to screw the mats down to secure them in place. Turn the mats on at least a half hour before the snow starts to fall. This way, the mats will melt snow on contact. You may turn the mats on after the snow has already fallen, though it may take longer for the snow to melt. Be sure to keep the mat on for a few hours after the snow has stopped, because you may have water runoff. These mats will work effectively down to -5 degrees Fahrenheit and melt snow at a rate of approximately 2 inches per hour. You can connect up to 13 amps on one power unit. Check the label on each mat to see how many amps that mat produces. For example, a 10-inch by 30-inch stair mat is 0.7 amps, and a 20-inch by 60-inch walkway mat is 2.5 amps. So you can connect either 15 of these stair mats, 5 of these walkway mats, or any combination thereof on a single power unit. If you are connecting more than 13 amps, you will need a second power unit. HeatTrak mats can be used on most surfaces, including asphalt, concrete, stone, and wood decks. However, some decks are made out of plastic or composite materials, which could cause adverse effects to the deck. If you have a deck made of composite material, you should place plywood or outdoor carpet under the mats to allow heat to distribute properly. Finally, when operating your mats, remember these important rules. These mats are for snow melting only. Mats should never be covered or operated while rolled up. Never use the mats indoors or in animal houses. HeatTrak mats are for foot traffic and wheelchairs only. Residential mats cannot be driven on by automobiles. You can, however, drive on our driveway mats, which are stronger and designed to support light automobile traffic. If you have any more questions or for further information, please visit our website, HeatTrak.com. Thank you for using HeatTrak, the easier, cleaner, safer, more reliable, better for your back. Your mailman will love you snow removal solution.